To understand and communicate what's happening in a simulation, you can define metrics and add plots to visualize the state of a simulation. Take this simulation. This is a simple one that I coded up where 10 different agents run around the stage and swap colors when they're next to another agent. I want to understand how many agents are blue and how many agents are red on any time step of the simulation. Now I could continue running this and just visually observe how many are blue and how many are red, but what if I have 100 agents or 1,000? It'd be much easier if we could rely upon Hash to do the counting for me. And we can by using the Analysis Wizard. If you switch to the Analysis tab, you can define metrics and plots. Metrics are series of operations. You can think of them like a pipeline. You add an operation. Let's create a new metric and call it color. You add a new operation like filter, and that will look at all of the states in a single time step in a simulation, so all of the agents and their properties and values. And filter will get all of the ones where the field is equal to a specific value. In this case, we're going to say blue, and actually this metric should be called blue. Now, this operation will get all of them, and it'll return a set of agents that match this condition. In order to do something with that, we need to add another operation that counts all of the states that were returned by this first operation. So again, imagine it like a pipeline. We start with the entire state of a time step. We add one operation, filter, that reduces the number down to just the ones we want to look at. And then we add an aggregation operation that counts all of them. Now, when I create this output, I have a metric that has the name blue and will return a number which represents all of the blue agents on that time step. In order to see what's happening, we can switch to plots and create a new one. Let's create a time series plot. This one we'll call colors. And it's already filled in that we're going to use the new metric that we made, blue, to see what's happening. And there you go. A plot that shows the number of agents on every time step that are blue. Let's do this again, but with red agents. Nearly forgot. There we go. Switch over to plots, and you can see we need to add a new metric here for red, and we can do that by looking at the actual underlying JSON. We've got two outputs, blue and red, and it's being visualized with just blue, but since we're adding a new one, let's add red here. And you can see it comes up instantly. We didn't have to rerun the simulation. When you modify the analysis of a existing run, it'll display the results of the new analysis for you.